Hello guys, welcome back. I am popping on today to do a layout for the scrap room. I am working with the Simple Stories Let's Get Crafty line for a Flavors of the Month kit. So I have a complete unboxing for all these goodies, so just look on my channel. Now I have this gorgeous craft cardstock, so that's going to be my background. I know that. Oh, and we get a cut file now as a bonus perk. So I went ahead and cut it out on a piece of my stash cardstock. So I have that, and I do know that I'm going to go ahead and back this piece with vellum. I think I am. I'm 99% sure that I am. So, because that's always fun because you can see beneath it and all that. That may change. We're going to see how it goes. So if I do back it in vellum, I actually just use tracing paper. It's way cheaper, and it looks kind of like the same. So I have to figure out what I want to back the Create a Life You Love with. It's going to be super cute. Now, for my next idea. Okay, I know I want this for my background. And I'll go ahead and cut this right now. Let's go ahead and cut it 11.5 by 11.5. So we can get that underway, because I know that part. I know a lot about where I'm going with this. Like, I just have to pop out the cut file and get the vibe. So do we like it like that? Ooh, I have a feeling I'm gonna like it on this, because this is gorgeous and has all of the colors. Look at that. Probably gonna go with that. Let me see the back side. Guys, this paper is awesome sauce. But I also have a thing about getting all the colors in the collection. But look at how that lines up, and you can see the grid lines. Ooh, I wish you guys could help me. Okay, so do I do this? I think I'm gonna do this because I want all the colors. Okay, let me do that. I'm gonna pop out that cut file so I can see how it looks on my page. And that's going to help me determine if I want to trim down my craft paper a bit or not. So we're going to see. I'm going to go like this. And guys, I will be gutting this. It is exquisite, so don't worry about that. Okay, let me do some of the cut file work. Okay, guys, so I've backed my cut files, and they're so cute. I decided to go with these patterns because I love them. I absolutely am smitten with this background pattern here. So I'm already super excited. Now my photos, this is myself and my friend, and she was teaching a class right here that I took at a scrapbook retreat with Erica Rose Create. So I thought that might be fun to have that. I was looking, and I don't think I'm going to mount my photos. I really like my pattern paper, and I like the way it's vibing and all of that. So let's just go ahead and get them right on, and then we will see what other bits we might want to get on here from the, how about like this? This one can be even. This one can be a little bit of a wonky. Yeah, and we'll see what we want to get in here, on here, in here, on here. Create a Life You Love. I like this, oh yeah, to go right next to it. Already I am digging this. Now, this looks kind of like a planner, right? So, do I want to do craft supplies? I don't know. Like the little chair is hilarious. Ooh, we can do crafty things right here. That would be cute. Maybe something with this cute camera to create a little scene on that other side. So that's awfully cute right there. I mean, guys, there's like a little trimmer. There's this little stapler. Ooh, that's kind of cute. How about crafty? It's crafty time. Oh, I want to pop that up on a little foam. Okay, I like the way that's looking. That's nestling in there, like, you know, as if we meant it. And I have little Blue is sleeping behind me. He's not feeling well, and he is crashed right out. And Mason is snuggled on. I'm kind of checking on him a little bit. It's so cute. So, I mean, guys, look at this little embellishment. That is adorable. All right, let me see if I can get these little pieces off. There's nothing worse than having to watch somebody faff around with that. Okay, really like that little banner bit, and there's a cute little pencil under here too that I am feeling. So what about here? I know it's pink on pink, but I don't care. It's so cute. I want to use it. I'm wondering if I need to bring in this. Maybe I can, because that is kind of tilted. This picture is a little tilted. So why don't we do this? I know I'm missing some of that floral, but it's, oh, guys, first of all, you should put adhesive on something when you want it to stick. That's a really good tip for you. So we're just gonna mimic it on this side. And I think I'll pop this up on a little adhesive. So this layout's coming together super quickly. I mean, the only thing that takes any time is backing the cut file, really. Well, let's see. So we'll get this on. And I want to get that pencil on because I think it's so cute. Like that. Do I want the pencil up? No. It does not need to be up. It has declared, so that is cute with the notebook paper and all of that. I love these pieces. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put that up too, so I can have this really nice seafoam color going like this. Now the scale's a little funky between the trimmer and the pencil, but we're going to go with it. And how about this? I already have my big title, so written on the notebook, it can say, I'm in love, because it's crafty supplies, people. So I don't know if I need to use these pieces. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at this. It has a little coffee cup. We're going to put that right there because I was definitely taking down some Starbucks. So how about 1, 2, ooh, I have 3. Do I put them in the middle of the hearts? No. No, I do not. I like the hearts as is. So I'm going to go ahead and put one right here where that opening would be. I can put one where this opening would be. And then the last one, actually 1, 2, we are just going to have 4. I'm going to go ahead and put right down there because I think it's adorable. Guys, this came together super quickly. I am loving it. I think it's adorable. I think I'm going to just come in with some white splatty bits and we're going to call this done. Do I want to do white? Yes, I'm going to come in with some white splatty bits. So I'm going to have still shots for you. I will have links down below for the ScrapRoom website, blog, and Facebook group. So you can see what the other designers are up to and what all of the different subbies are up to. And guys, be sure to share what you create with the same kit because I want to see how you take on these supplies and what you come up with. Okay, still shots in just a second, guys. I'll be back ever so soon with another video.